Hey friends, on today's quick video, I'm gonna show you how you use these Amazon Basics smart plugs to control the lights in our living room. Now, this is really cool because you can actually use Alexa. You can see I have her over there on the speaker to do this via voice control or with an app on your phone. Now, for this demonstration, I want two lights to turn on. I want this lamp right here on the table, and I want that standing lamp in the corner to turn on. You can see I already have one smart plug installed down here. We're gonna install the second one together and create a grouping so we can turn both lights on at the exact same time. So this floor lamp is controlled with this little foot switch, and as you can see, that comes up into this plug right here. So that's where I'm gonna install the smart plug from Amazon Basics. You can see when I plug it in, you get a little flashing green light. I'm then gonna take the lamp plug and we're gonna plug it right in there. So now this basically becomes a circuit breaker, so to speak, where you can turn things on or off, again, by flipping that switch on. So I'm gonna come over here on the side. We're just gonna push that once. You can see if I push it twice, it turns off. So again, pushing it here to have it solid green means it is on and we're ready to find it within the Alexa app. Let me jump over to that. Okay, so we're currently in the Alexa app, and this again is something you can download from the App Store if you don't have it already. Basically what we're gonna do is click on that Devices tab. This is gonna bring up the devices and homes that you currently have set up. I already have a home set up with Alexa. And so what we're gonna do is just click that top right button. It's a little plus. We're gonna add device on top there. And then as you can see, Alexa actually automatically found that second plug for me. If it didn't automatically find it, what you would do is you'd come on here, you'd hit the plug, and then you'd hit Amazon Basics, and then you'd hit Smart Plug. Again, you're gonna hit the next button and it would actually make sure it's on. And then once I click yes, it would go into the find mode in order for it to discover that specific device. Again, the nice thing is we've already done this automatically. And now if I go back to my device lists down here, you can see I have the second plug is what it automatically named it. I'm gonna click on this. This is gonna bring us into that specific device. First thing I want to do is I want to rename this so I know what it is. Come up here, I'm just going to name this. And once I've done that, we can actually go down and add it to the group so that both of these plugs turn on. Or the easier way is walk through the little tutorial up here at the top where it says Finish Setup. So once I click on this, you can actually see that this is going to allow us to use Alexa voice controls. But it's going to ask us again, where is this plug? Where do you want to use it? Now you can come down and create a group for your specific room. I've actually created living room lights as a group up there on the top. So I'm going to click that. Make sure your device name is correct. I'm going to click next. This will take just a couple of seconds to complete the setup. And as you can see, it's ready to use. Now the cool thing with this is you can either use the voice controls or the app. If I click on the living room lamp, it will turn on or off just by clicking right here. That's so nice. Okay, it's time to check out the voice feature. Here are the two lamps. It's gonna be a little bit difficult to see in the daylight here, but we should be able to get a good demonstration. Again, make sure you have your group set up. Both plugs are now installed. I actually have two more because I bought a 4-pack where I can set up an additional room. Let's go ahead and test this out. Alexa, turn on the living room lights.
Okay.
There you go. I love it. This makes things so much easier, especially when we're doing dinner. Bringing it in here, hands are full. We can actually just tell Alexa to turn everything on for us using voice commands. Hopefully that's helped, friends. Again, I love these plugs. They're super easy to set up. They're really budget friendly, and it really does make a nice difference. If you'd like to grab some for yourself, you can actually find them right here on Amazon. Then stay tuned. We got a ton of these little tech tutorials to make your life just a little bit easier. If this one's helped, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and we'll see you again on the next one.